स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू दी चैनल वेदांतु एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशंस। आज हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 7 आपकी क्लास 12 बायोलॉजी बुक का। नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 जो कि लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपकी एनसीईआरटी बैक एक्सरसाइज का, वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट। इन योर व्यू व्हाट मोटिवेट्स यंगस्टर्स टू टेक अल्कोहल एंड ड्रग्स एंड हाउ कैन दिस बी अवॉइडेड। तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में दो पार्ट पूछे गए हैं। फर्स्ट इज कि ये मोटिवेशन कहाँ से आती है यंगस्टर्स में टू ट्राई द ड्रग और अल्कोहल वंस, और उसके बाद सेकेंड पार्ट इज हाउ कैन दिस बी अवॉइडेड, उसको प्रिवेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं। सो बच्चों, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं विच मोटिवेट्स द यंगस्टर्स टू ट्राई दीज थिंग्स. One is that they are curious, they are very excited, they feel like it is an adventure, experiment करना चाहते हैं, all right, and they sometimes want to take or consume the drugs to overcome their pressure. कोई स्टडी प्रेशर हो सकता है, कोई स्पोर्ट्स प्रेशर हो सकता है, या किसी भी तरह का स्ट्रेस या फ्रस्ट्रेशन है उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए दे वांट टू ट्राई इट. एंड थर्डली, we can say that there's a lot of influence of social media. There could be internet, television, newspaper, or some movies, etc., which are responsible for motivating them to just try it for once for the sake of fun or something. And sometimes there could be peer pressure also. Friends kabhi kabhi pressurize karte hain to at least try the drugs or alcohol once. So sabse pehle hum motivation factors likhenge, right? So many factors motivate the youth to take alcohol or drugs, all right. First is some of the initial causes. Some of them could have curiosity, excitement, all right, excitement, frustration, all right, adventure, experimentation, etc., all right. Some want to do that, and some of them are under the pressure of peers, right? Some try it under the peer pressure, friends का pressure होता है, all right, under the peer pressure. Some want to overcome other pressures, all right. Some want to overcome other pressures from pressures of education or family, right? Family का कोई unsupporting role हो सकता है इसमें, या some kind of frustration could be there. Unsupporting pressures of education or family. So this is family, M, all right. And then there could be some of them could be influenced by social media, newspapers, internet, etc., all right. That could also be a reason for motivating the youngsters to take up drugs or alcohol. Now the second part of the question was कि preventive measures हम क्या ले सकते हैं to safeguard them against the use of alcohol or drug. Some of the preventive measures against the use of drugs or alcohol could be so first factor is, जैसे हमने भी कहा था, could be, यहाँ पर could लिखना भूल गई हूँ मैं, रुको. So could be, और let's just keep it like that. So we said कि peer pressure हो सकता है, family pressure हो सकता है, education pressure हो सकता है. तो अगर इस केस में family will be supportive, right? There could be motivation from parents, from elders, from relatives, from peers. So that will, suppress the motivation of, trying these things. So let's write that point first. Motivation from parents or elders to develop to develop strong willpower, to develop strong willpower. All right, and then we have the B part. all right, awareness about ill effects of alcohol. अगर awareness होगी तो फिर one can avoid also. Awareness about the ill effects of, about the ill effects of drug or alcohol use. All right, so that can also be one of the preventive measures. Also, parents should take the responsibility of monitoring the social circle of the child. all right, and they must always advise their children कि वो bad company को avoid करें. okay, parents should keep a check on, parents should keep a check on the social circle of a child, social circle of a child, and must advise them, and must advise them against wrong company, wrong company. all right, and mostly they should be even motivated by we can say parents also, teachers also, that they should dedicate themselves to they should devote their time in some extracurricular activities. They must spend or invest their energy somewhere else, जो उनकी हॉबी हो सकती है, जो उनका कोई कोई इंटरेस्ट हो सकता है. Instead of wasting energy here and there, they must focus and devote their energy towards something fruitful. okay, encourage students or youngsters, encourage students or youngsters to dedicate their energy to hobbies or interests, to hobbies or other interests, other useful interests. okay, so I hope आपको ये solution समझ में आया. This was the last question of your class 12th चैप्टर 7 बायोलॉजी बुक. कि हमने पहले बताया कि फैक्टर्स कौन से मोटिवेट करते हैं यंगस्टर्स को, और उसके बाद हमने बताया कि हम इसको अवॉइड कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव मेड अ लिस्ट प्रॉपरली दोनों ही चीज़ों की. आई होप आपको ये सोल्यूशन समझ में आया. इफ इट इज सो, hit the like button, share the session with your friends, and remain subscribed to our channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions 11th and 12th. This is your master teacher Kanika signing off for today. See you next time.